Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Trucen fishing lures. The bass fishing lure can be used to capture bass, yellow perch, pike, walleye, trout, roach and snook, salmon, etc. This type of swim bait is appropriate for saltwater and freshwater. It is able to function across all types of water. It is designed with multi-jointed, 8-segment bodies. Trucen fishing lure can sink slowly and be flexible in the water. Furthermore, the lifelike swimming movements make it attractive to larger catches and encourage prey fish to attack. With 3D realistic looking eyes and a pearl coating, this swimming bait appears extremely delicate and vibrant and resembles the real thing. It is a perfect fishing lure that is able to fool the target fish. Made from high-end ABS material, and with an integrated rattle, this lure will continuously emit the sounds of fish when swimming to trigger the appetite of fish and encourage them to strike. Number 2 in this best lures for pond fishing list is Trucen topwater fishing lures. Trucen lure set for fishing lure set uses a double blade tail design that rotates that produces a powerful sputter when it travels across the surface. It creates the sound and disturbance that fish cannot ignore. It is also roll resistant and works effectively at various speeds. It is interesting to note that when the massive bass eats the bait, the tail of its catch will close to stop the bass from spilling the bait out. Fishing baits are equipped with an additional weight placed on the belly that allows you to manage barycenters easily and let it possible to cast a greater distance without difficulty. If you are able to quickly and steadily reel in the bait, its rotating tail will spin and splash water. It's very difficult for bass. The perfect size and amazing colors give you an unforgettable immersive experience. With 3D holographic eyes and a fully hand-coated body, and realistic scales for fish. These fishing lures look quite delicate and clear, which resembles the real thing. The perfect swimming lure that beats the fishes you want to catch. Our third choice is Charm Ye Bass Fishing Lure. This bass fishing lure could be utilized to catch fish like yellow perch, bass pike, walleye, muskie and roach, trout and many more. This is a great swim bait for freshwater as well as saltwater and works well across all different water layers. With a 6-segment multi-joint body, the fishing lure kit sinks slow and move with ease in the water. In addition, the lifelike swimming movements help it attract more catches and can entice predator fish to strike. With realistic looking eyes and a pearl powder coating, this crankbait looks as delicate and vibrant that is akin to real fish. It is a perfect bait for fishing that can easily fool the target fish. Made of top quality ABS material, and with a steel ball that is built in, the Vib lure emits the bass sound when swimming to trigger the hunger of fish and encourage them to strike. Hooks are of the highest quality and are extremely precise, allowing the strongest possible penetration force, and the crochet hooks with trident make it difficult for fish to get away. Fourth pick in this best lures for pond fishing list is Placino fishing lures. Placino high-end fishing lures offer anglers of all levels of choices to catch virtually any kind of fish from trout to bass. Minnows with a lifelike design popper, Vib, crankbait and pencil lures come with 3D eyes and ultra-realistic fish patterns. They even fool the most clever fish that thinks that the lure is a real fish, which makes it easier to catch fish more easily. The lures are all widely utilized and carefully chosen and made from premium anti-corrosion stainless steel and plastic that is durable and strong. The small fishing equipment comes with a double layer box, which makes it easier to find the precise fishing equipment you need. The set of bass fishing lures weighs 7.9 inches by 4.5 inches by 2.6 inches. The compact size makes the bait suit perfect to fit into your seat or fishing backpack. It's easy to take around with you. You can go to your preferred fishing spot and fish anytime and anywhere you'd like. This set of fishing lures was made to be used in saltwater or freshwater and includes a variety of fishing lures and accessories that can be utilized for a variety of fishing situations, a great present for any novice or addicted angler. Our fifth and last choice is Trusin fishing lures for saltwater. This is a great fishing lure that can easily fool the targeted fishes. With 3D realistic looking eyes and a pearl coating, this lure appears quite delicate and clear, which resembles the real thing. With a multi-jointed 6-segment design, Trusin fishing lure can sink slowly and be able to move in the water. Additionally, its lifelike swimming patterns make it attract larger catches and encouraging predator fish to attack. Made from high-end ABS material and equipped with a built-in rattle, this lure will continuously emit the sounds of fish to accompany the swimming process to stimulate the appetite of fish and prompt them to strike. The bass fishing lure is widely employed to catch yellow perch, bass pike, walleye, trout, roach and muskie and the snook, salmon, etc. This type of swimbait is suitable for fresh and saltwater and is effective in all different water layers.